Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC16G review. 4K gaming finally feels easy again?
You sit down after a long day, excited to finally play that new game everyone's talking about, and it stutters. Textures pop in late, or you have to drop every setting just to stay above 60 FPS. Last weekend, I watched my brother try Cyberpunk on his decent PC. Beautiful for 30 seconds, then a slideshow the moment he turned on ray tracing. Or you open Premiere to finish a client edit, and the preview lags so bad you're scrubbing frame by frame. It's not just annoying, it steals the fun from gaming and the flow from work. We've all been there, quietly lowering settings and pretending it's fine.
Every new trailer looks incredible, but your card can't keep up, and suddenly you're choosing between pretty graphics or playable frame rates. You spend more time tweaking menus than actually playing. Friends are streaming smooth 4K footage while you're still fighting 1440p with compromises. Weekends that should be relaxing turn into frustration because the hardware you saved up for is already feeling old. The worst part, you know the tech is out there that just works, but you're stuck watching everyone else enjoy it. It's not about having the most expensive rig. It's about opening a game or project and not having to think about the GPU at all. Instead, you're constantly aware it's holding you back, and that quiet disappointment starts to add up.
Then the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC16G showed up. It's not another loud gamer blob card. It's the clean, white, overclocked version that just drops in and changes everything. With the latest NVIDIA tech inside, think DLSS 4 that basically doubles your frames and proper ray tracing that doesn't murder performance, plus 16 gigabytes of the new super-fast GDDR7 memory, it turns impossible settings into everyday reality. Whether you're finally playing at 4K with everything maxed or editing 8K timelines without lag, it feels effortless instead of a constant battle.
Drop it in and suddenly Cyberpunk at 4K with full path tracing runs over 100 FPS without breaking a sweat. No more choosing between beauty and speed. Turn on DLSS 4 and watch frame rates climb while the picture actually looks sharper than native. For creators, 8K editing in Premiere or DaVinci feels smooth. Exports finish in half the time, and you never hit a VRAM wall again. The triple fan cooling keeps it quiet even during long sessions, and the white design looks ridiculously clean in any build. I threw it in my own rig and went from constant tweaking to just enjoying games again. Alan Wake 2 at max settings actually felt cinematic instead of a compromise. Streamers I know say their overlays and 4K capture run perfectly now. It's the card that finally makes high-end gaming and creating feel easy instead of a constant fight.
If you're tired of compromising every time you sit down at your PC, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC16G is the upgrade that ends the struggle. One card, no more excuses. Just smooth, beautiful gaming and work that actually flows. I've put my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. It helps keep these videos coming. Click it, check the real-world benchmarks, and grab yours before the first batch sells out like every new RTX launch does. You deserve to open a game and smile instead of sigh. See you at 4K.